A really easy approach to start making your classes run smoother online. Centralize the learning. Centralize the learning, bring all the different learning components that you would do in your class into preferably one space. So a one-stop shop. Our one-stop shop in Canvas tends to be modules. So modules tool, usually in the default toolbox, it just lets you bring in all these different things: videos, assignments, lessons, discussions, quizzes, all of those different parts that you would do in a class, and you can lay them out together in one place. So here I have week one, and all the things that a student needs to get done in week one are just chunked together. They can see if they need to scroll down to week two, they see all those different parts and pieces chunked together in week two. Really quick and simple for the teacher, and also quick and simple for the student. They just see what they need to get done, and they can get it done. So as a teacher, what you would do, you're in modules, you're going to hit the red add module button in the upper right hand corner. Give it a name. I recommend kind of adhering to some naming convention that you've made up. Then you'll hit the add module button at the bottom. It's going to automatically drop it to the bottom. So for me, I got a lot going on here, so I got to scroll a whole bit. All right, so I found, here's my week 0 module that I just made, and then it's got a little plus sign here on the right hand of that heading gray bar. Hit that and you get the add item screen. So from here, you can do add what? What are we adding? I could add an assignment, or I can click that and I get my different options. So these are the different content types that you're going to want to make for your students to go through, and we'll put them in one spot. I'll just stick to assignment for now. And you can see I've already got some pre-made assignments, and so I can just choose from those. If I need the students to reference that week 4 assignment right now, go to it. Okay, some of you might have multi-week assignments that's going to take week 5 through 8. You can just keep dropping that same assignment down in all those different weekly modules, and you don't have to rebuild them every time, just like 3 clicks. All right, so I'm going to do that just for the sake of speed here. Let's do week 1, add item. We'll do another one. We'll do it like a discussion now, or I'll make a brand new one. So here I got a discussion chosen. Yeah. Creating a topic. Yeah. And then I'll give it a name. Week 0 discussion, topic 1. We're going to add it. Cool. Okay. Now, if you don't like the ordering of this because, you're making things and you decide after the fact that you want things to be a little bit different, all the modules have these little grippy dots here on the left of their name. You just click and hold, and you can now slide them around. Look at that, really easy. And you can do that with whole modules too. So if now I decide, you know what, week 3 isn't working anymore, click and drag it. We're going to move it down later in space. Remember to rename it because now week 3 doesn't make sense, but you can slide all of these in order. The key here is we're going to bring all the different learning components that a student would do in the class and put them together in one spot. So not having to click all around into Canvas, getting lost in assignments. They didn't see that there was a quiz because they never went to the quiz tool. No, they're going to just go to the modules and they see that they have to do assignments, they have to do discussions and quizzes because it's all laid out together in space.